the light behind it, if that would help.
Hi, this is Sean Brodrick for Uncommon Wisdom Daily. I'm at the Toronto Resource and Investment Show. I'm here with Len Brownlie, and he's from GoldRush Resources, which is doing some amazing exploration in a country in Africa called Burkina Faso. And so he's here just to tell us first a little about the country, why it's so interesting for mining, and then he will speak about his company. Hi, Len.
Hi, nice to meet you. Well, Burkina Faso is a country in West Africa. It's bordered by Mali, Ghana, Niger, and it was a Marxist regime 30 years ago, and so it missed a whole wave of exploration. Subsequently, it's had a very stable democratic regime for about the last 16 years, but there was this gap of under-exploration. And so if you look 4 years ago, there were no commercial gold mines in production in the country. Subsequently, there are 6 mines that are now in production, the most recent being IAMGOLD's Essakane deposit at 4.5 million ounces. Just last week, High River Gold announced a 1.7 million ounce feasibility study completed on a property called Bisa. So you have a very prospective area with a lot of exploration, a lot of mines coming into production. We've been there since 2006. Our flagship project is called Rongduin, and by 2008 we developed a 250,000 ounce resource estimate there, an inferred resource. However, with the economic crisis, we sort of hibernated for about a year. We raised $1 million this year, went in and did further exploration, and have essentially doubled the depth of the deposit. And we're in the middle now of a 36-hole drill program to expand the deposit. We have a parallel zone to the south that is untested, and we're going to start testing it next week. So we have a lot of exploration potential. We've just raised $4 million, the majority of which came from 2 major gold funds in Canada.
Okay, so you guys are right along the same trend with these other miners who are more advanced than you are, right? I mean, you have some close neighbors that are actually finding some very big things, and it looks like you could be doing the same, right?
That is the idea. Yeah. I mean, the whole country is underlain by greenstone belts, greenstone belts, and these are the host rocks for all of the gold mines in Ghana, Mali, and now Burkina Faso.
Okay, and now, of course, since you are an explorer, there's a long road ahead, but you could actually do a short program as well to bring something into production.
Well, one of the options we have, because it's all near-surface material and it's easily amenable to open-pit mining, is to put a small gravimetric process in place, some crushing, some grinding, and then using cyclones without any dangerous chemicals to produce up to 10,000 to 15,000 ounces a year. And that's certainly an approach we're looking towards doing. And because this is a very poor country, it receives quite a bit of funding from the World Bank and the IFC. And so the idea would be to approach the IFC towards helping with the development of a small-scale project that would help the locals, because we'd use a lot of manpower, but on the other hand would produce somewhere between $3 and $10 million a year for us, so we don't have to go back to the market in order to raise exploration funding in the future.
Excellent. Well, this is a 13-cent stock, right?
13.5 closed Canadian on Friday, yes.
Right, so no one should go into this without doing more research, but this is an example of the kind of very interesting stocks that I'm finding here at the Toronto Resource Conference, and really it is kind of an exciting story and one that I'll be looking into further. Thanks very much.
Thank you. Yeah, any listeners want to look, it's goldrushresources.ca.
Right, thank you.